part 8 of the crochet butterfly top. Just to clarify, you should be working on the same side as the antennas, so the top part. Slip stitch into the second double crochet, slip stitch into the third double crochet, chain up 3, double crochet in that spot, insert 2 double crochets in the next spot, and chain up 2. Same thing as last time, 2 double crochets in the first spot, 1 double crochet in the middle spots, and 2 double crochets in that last spot. Once we finish this part, we will start to divide the wing into the top and the bottom wing. Reminder to insert 2 double crochets in that last spot. Chain up 2 and insert 4 double crochets in the first spot. So this is the 6th row. This is where we start to divide the wing. If you wanted to add 2 more rows, go for it. I like the way it comes out with 6 rows, but completely up to you. Continue to work on the top wing for 5 rows and stop in the middle of the 5th row.